On today's video, I will show you how to make Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, without a doubt, is one of my favorite go-to snack. You can eat it any time of the day. It is easy to make, believe it or not. And I will show you exactly what you need and how it's done step by step. The ingredients you are going to need are pretty simple. The first and first, you are going to need InstantPot. InstantPot is a lifesaver. I keep saying that and I will say it again. In addition to having an InstantPot, you are going to need a milk. So get a good milk, a good brand. You can use whatever brand you want. I am using Fairlife. The reason why I use Fairlife, it has half the sugar of a regular milk. It's ultra filtered, and also it has twice the amount of protein as regular milk. And most importantly, it's lactose free. For all you guys and girls out there that you have, you have problem with lactose, so this is a great alternative. We are going to need faye, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think I'm right. They even show you how to pronounce it on the back of the container. So keep in mind that this is the base yogurt you're going to be using. So how the yogurt comes out depends on what base you use for the yogurt. The reason why you need the base, you need the culture. So to get the culture going, to help the yogurt ferment, you are going to be using this. So I will use faye. I'm using plant one, 0% fat. Again, it doesn't matter what brand you use, just make sure you get a good one. And lastly, we are going to use condensed milk. Condensed milk that I'm using, this is not fat-free. You can get a fat-free version if you want. I got this from Walmart. The reason why I'm adding condensed milk to my Greek yogurt, I just don't want my Greek yogurt to be tasteless. So to add a little flavor to it, this is what I'm going to be using. Again, this is optional, it's up to you, but I like it, I will be using it. The next step here, we are going to mix everything together, okay? Make sure you shake the milk, shake it very well. Let's pop this baby open. The important InstantPot. Let's go. Let's do this. Get this out of the way. We are going to be using the entire Greek yogurt. We get the milk. Be careful now. The edge can be sharp. So everything gets poured in there. Yeah, adding the condensed milk is not the healthiest thing to do. But for me, I would take the flavor, man. Since I'm not going to be eating all this in one setting, I mean, you spread it over time, it's not that bad. But it's up to you. You can use whatever that flows your boat. So I'm done mixing everything together. Now we're going to cover the InstantPot. It is very important though, when you cover the InstantPot, make sure this is in sealing location, not venting. You want it to seal, all right? So you don't want any noise. Just put in the sealing position and cover your InstantPot. And I usually do 6 hours. So when you're making your yogurt, some InstantPot will tell you to do 12 hours. You can do 10 hours. What I noticed over the years of making this recipe, the longer you cook it for, the thicker it gets. I don't want it to get too thick, so I want it to be just right. So 6 hours works for me. Also, we're going to select yogurt. Go on InstantPot, select yogurt, and then put 6 hours. As you can see, it's already on 6 hours, so I don't have to do anything. We come back 6 hours later, and the yogurt will be ready. It has been 6 hours since we made the yogurt. What I did was I put it in the fridge. Covered it with aluminum foil. You can also cover it with plastic bag, whatever that works for you. So let's see what the yogurt looks like. This is the final product. Can you guys see it? Look at that. Look, this is it. So you don't need to drain it. You don't need to do any additional work. So this is your yogurt. Let's see look at how creamy it is. Let's see here. Look at that. See how creamy the yogurt is? That, my friend, that's how you make your Greek yogurt, delicious Greek yogurt. So let's talk a little bit about yogurt. So what are some benefits you get from eating yogurt? First of all, yogurt is full of protein. So if you are looking to lose weight or gain muscle mass, you know that you need protein. You need a good source of protein. Yogurt will provide that for you. It helps you stay full for a longer time, so that way you are not always mindlessly snacking. The other benefit you get from eating your Greek yogurt is full of potassium, which helps you with your bone health, stronger bone. As you start to get older, your bones get weaker. And also it has a good amount of potassium in it. The potassium helps you with cramping. If you cramp often, the potassium in yogurt can help you alleviate that. The other thing is the culture in Greek yogurt. The good bacteria in Greek yogurt, the probiotics, actually helps your digestive health. So if you are dealing with digestive problem, eating Greek yogurt can help you alleviate that problem. The culture you get from Greek yogurt, that helps your mouth fight cavities, so you don't get cavities in your teeth. In essence, preventing you from getting bad breath. You don't want that. So that's it, guys and girls. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please share with your loved ones, share with your partner, whoever that you think will find this video to be beneficial. Give the recipe a try and let me know how you like it, okay? Thank you and God bless. Peace.